only economic alliances, but also potential strategic alliances against the Chinese. They're not our enemy, and they're certainly not our friend. And finally, everybody in this room, we've been talking about taxes and economics. When the fall comes and which would be a disaster if she got elected. I see 16-year-old girls, and I want this country to be strong. We make promises we can keep into the bright light of the fall. We will have sure that our economic programs and our military programs are solid. Washington is the chairman of the budget committee. We keep the budget balanced. And in Ohio, we got to have a seat. And our committees have to stand up. They have to be solid. People have to know we have the confidence. As president, I will lead this country as I have before in Washington and in Ohio. I will return. And I appreciate the opportunity to speak this time.
Georgie, you good to me.
You are watching Fox Business. We'll take a